Here's the truth, funding is one of the biggest hurdles women entrepreneurs face, and yet there's more money on the table right now for women-owned businesses than ever before. The problem? Most women don't even know these opportunities exist, let alone how to get them. Whether you're launching your first venture or taking your business to the next level, the right loan or grant could be the game changer you've been waiting for. So today, we're going to uncover the funding options built specifically for women entrepreneurs and how you can use them to fuel your next big move. Section 1, why this matters. Women entrepreneurs are launching startups, leading major companies, and driving economic growth. But despite these achievements, accessing capital is still one of the biggest challenges women face in business. Fortunately, there are specialized business loans and grants available to help overcome those hurdles. Section 2, types of business loans for women. Let's start with the most common ways to get funding. Business loans. They can help you uncover just about anything: equipment, staffing, marketing, expansion, you name it. If you're well established, you might consider a traditional bank loan through a bank or credit union. These usually come with the best interest rates, but they're also the hardest to qualify for. You'll need strong credit and a solid business plan to get approved. Now, if you're just starting out or growing, SBA loans can be a great option. These are backed by the US government, which means lenders take on less risk and can offer you better terms. The SBA 7A program is especially popular for startups and small but growing businesses. Another great option, especially for first-time entrepreneurs, is microloans. These usually come from nonprofit organizations and offer smaller amounts of funding. The great thing is, they often come with added support like business coaching or mentorship, which can be just as valuable as money itself. If speed is your priority, online business loans can be a lifesaver. Approval times are fast, the process is simple, and some lenders are willing to work with you, even if your credit isn't perfect. And finally, there's the business line of credit. Think of it like a safety net. You borrow only what you need when you need it, and you only pay interest on what you use. It's a great tool for managing cash flow or covering seasonal slowdowns. Section 3, extra support for women entrepreneurs. Now, here's something a lot of people don't realize. Many lenders that work with women-owned businesses go beyond just giving you money. They offer mentorship programs, networking opportunities, and educational resources. That means you're not just walking away with funding, you're also building relationships and getting guidance that can help your business grow long after the loan is funded. Section 4, how to apply for a loan. So what does the loan application process actually look like? First, check your credit score. A strong score will help you qualify for better terms, but don't panic if it's not perfect. Some lenders will still work with you. Next, get your financial documents together. This usually means tax returns, financial statements, and sometimes proof of collateral. Once you're organized, start researching lenders. Compare interest rates, repayment terms, and whether they offer any additional support for women-owned businesses. When you do find the right fit, submit your application. Be thorough, double check your information, and once it's in, don't just wait. Follow up so you know exactly where you stand in the process. Section 5, grants for women entrepreneurs. Now, let's talk about something even better than a loan, grants. Because unlike a loan, you don't have to pay these back. They are essentially free money for your business. The first place to look is federal grants. Grants.gov lists hundreds of opportunities, although they can be competitive and often industry specific. Don't forget state and local grants. These can sometimes be easier to get because you're competing with fewer applicants. Then, there are corporate grants, big companies that invest in women-led businesses and sometimes even provide mentorship alongside the funding. Nonprofit and foundations are another great option, especially for women of color, single mothers, or businesses with a strong community mission. And if you're innovating in tech, science, or education, there are educational and research grants that could apply to you too. Section 6, how to apply for a grant. Grant applications are a little different from loan applications. The first step is finding the ones that actually fit your business and your goals. Once you have found a good match with a strong proposal, clearly explain your business mission, how you'll use the funds, and the impact you expect to make. You'll also need to gather any required documents, things like your business plan, proof of past performance, and financials. And just like with loans, pay close attention to deadlines. Submit your application online and then follow up so you stay on the radar. Section 7, support for minority women entrepreneurs. Finally, if you're a minority woman entrepreneur, there are even more targeted programs designed just for you. Some organizations offer open grants specifically for women of color, like the NASE. Others focus on Hispanic-owned, Black-owned, or Native American-owned businesses, with funding meant to celebrate culture, support local communities, and promote equality. There are also CDFI loans and nonprofit loan programs created for undeserved populations. And these often include hands-on business support. If you like more creative options, peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding can help you raise capital directly from your community. And yes, there are venture capital firms that actively invest in minority-owned businesses. The key is to finding the ones whose mission aligns with yours. There's never been more opportunity for women in business, and the funding is out there if you know where to look. Whether it's loans or grants or just the right connections, the key is to knowing your options and taking action. If you're ready to find the resources that can take your business to the next level, reach out. We'll point you in the right direction and help you make your next move with confidence. The truth is, money is there. The only question is, are you ready to claim it?